Okay, now we're going to find the slope of a formula. And basically we're going to use the equation right here. Change in y's, or we change in x's. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1, or x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And I'm just going to let this be x1, y1, x sub 2, y2. So all I'm going to do then is the following. I'm going to take this 0 minus that negative 5 over, so I started with this point, I have to finish, started here. So we negative 3 minus 0. 0 minus negative 5 is a positive 5. Negative 3 minus 0 is negative 3, so your slope is actually a negative 5 over 3. Okay? And this one right here, to find the slope, you can do it two ways. You can minus a 3x from each side, where you have negative 8y equals negative 3x plus 10, and then divide everything by negative 8, which will give you y equals a positive 3/8x minus, and 10 over 8 would reduce to minus 5/4, making the slope 3/8. Now, in this particular form here, I like to use a shortcut. M is what I call equals negative a over b, and if you go up to your general formula, sometimes written like this, the book writes it like this. I actually kind of prefer this here when working with it. And basically, the slope is, if you were to minus an ax from each side, you have by equals minus ax plus c, and then divide everything by b. Y equals negative a over b x plus c over b. And if you'll notice, if I take my a value here, 3, and make it negative, and divide it by this b value, which is negative 8, you get a slope of 3/8. So the answer was still 3/8, whichever way you worked it. And you can use your method. I like to go with the easiest one possible. I like the negative a over b myself, or I could get the y by itself.